Welcome to Technologist. So in this video, we will see how to create virtual machine in Microsoft Azure. So this is my Microsoft Azure portal. You can create a virtual machine from here. If you are recently used that service, you can see over here. You can see one option, virtual machine. So you can click over here and you can create it, or simply in search you can just type VM and click on virtual machines. Here, just click on create Azure virtual machine. Now my subscription is free trial, so I will use free trial. In my previous video, I will already mention about resource group. So here we will create one resource group. So we will create one resource group, which is name is role minus RD. This is my resource group role minus RD. Here I will give my virtual system name, which is TEchno. Region. Now I will select Asia Pacific South India. Availability options. No availability zone is available over here. So I'm not selecting anything over here. So here I will select the operating system which I want. I will select this Windows Service Server 2022 data center. It's 64-bit. There I have to mention administrator account and password. So this credential we can use while using RDP. Admin I will use TEchno admin and the password is RDP port 3389. Allow selected ports. So this port will be open, so we can access through my desktop function also. So I will just directly click on review plus create. So now we have to wait for few seconds. The validation is completed. Now I will click on create. Just wait over here. And I will recommend you to check my resource group video. In that video, I already mentioned whenever we create a virtual machine, it will create 4 other elements in resource groups, which is required to run a one virtual system. So right now it is creating all those 4 elements in the resource group. See, it is created. This is my virtual machine, network interface, public address, IP address, security groups, virtual networks. So all this is created. If you want to see your public IP address, command is completed. Now you have to click on go to resource. So with that you will get all detailed information about virtual machine. So this is IP address 20.235.128.71. This is my public IP address. Private IP address 10.0.0.4 is my private IP address. See, computer name is TEchno-RD. Now I want to connect this system, so I will click on connect. So as I told you, this is my public IP address, and the port number which is RDP port is 3389, which we allow while configuring this system. So we will access this system through RDP. So we will connect. So we will click on download RDP file. TEchno-RD is downloaded. I will just minimize this. I will open this TEchno-RD. Click on connect. It is showing me the admin setup which I mentioned while creating this VM system. It is Techno admin. So I will mention now the password. Click on OK. Click on yes. See the IP, the public IP address 20.235.128.71. This is my public IP address. So now my profile is loading. Okay, so this is my VM which I created in Microsoft Azure. Now I will show you my system name. See, the system is TEchno-RD, which we configured while uh, installing virtual machine in Azure. Windows Server 2000 Data Center Azure Edition. RDP access. So for now, I will shut down this system. Now we will go back to our Azure portal. So in this way, you can create a virtual system in Azure. Thank you. Thank you. Please subscribe to Technologist. Please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Please subscribe to Techno Analyst.